I just got my parcel right here that I'm gonna be unboxing, and I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm gonna put the stuff here so we can unbox together. I have my scissors. I have a lot of shoes in here that you guys will see in a minute. And these shoes, I'm selling them within South Korea, try and raise money for school. Yeah, so the first shoes that we have are these. We're gonna see together. These are the Nike Dunks. I already sold these. You can see them. Yeah, I'm gonna check them out properly later, but you can see good quality. Yeah, I don't know if that way clear. Yeah, I'm gonna put this aside. Yeah, the next product, I have these Nike gloves. You can see these Nike gloves. Yeah, they're very good quality. Then I also have these UGG socks. Yeah, I'll sell these too. They're 2 pairs. Okay. Then I have these yellow socks that I'm also gonna sell. Yeah, good quality. I have 2 pairs. Then I do have a couple of babe socks. Babe socks, yeah. I have some Carhartt socks too. Yeah. These Carhartt socks. I bought a comb for my hair. As you can see, I just undone my hair. Yeah. Then we have another pair of shoes. This must be an Air Force. The black Air Force ones. You can see them here. The black Air Force ones. Good quality as well. Then we gotta find out what's inside them here. Oh, I do have a Carhartt hat cap here that I'm equally going to sell. You can see original, authentic. Yeah, I'm gonna sell this one too. Yeah. Probably in here I have some tint that I'm gonna use because I need this tint, so I'm gonna use it for something. Yeah. We're done for that. Then we can open our second box that you guys probably won't be able to see unless I do this to the camera. Yeah, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, I'm sure you can see. I'll move a little bit behind. Yeah. And then I'm gonna show you guys at the end. I'm gonna go through everything so you guys can sneak peek. And my videos are so raw, I don't even edit them. So the first thing is another pair of shoes. These Nike Vomeros. Very good quality. You can see, I know the light is too much, but very good quality. I'm gonna unbox this later nicely. Yeah. Now I'll put it here. Yeah. Then I bought myself a basketball. Yes, I did buy myself a basketball. This is the Kobe Mamba basketball. Yeah. Okay. And the basketball came with a pump as well. So I'll just check that everything is there in the basketball. And we're good to go. They also sent me some pins. To use, so I'll put it here. Can't trust. Okay, it's working. Okay, it's working, although it's already spoiled now. So I gotta put like this. Yeah, and like this. Then our next item. Did I buy actual shoes? Wait. Oh yeah, I did buy some Adidas. These good quality as well. And my last pair of shoes that I'm super excited for are these New Balances. I'm super excited for these 2000 R. Very excited. I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah, that's been me showing you what I bought, and now I'll do the videos for my TikTok and everything else. Then we can wrap it up from there. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I'll just take you through. So the New Balance are here. You guys can see them. Some socks. Yeah, some more shoes. These, we can check these out. Yeah. Yeah, very good quality. I really recommend. Let me turn on the light so you guys can see the quality of these. Yeah, some Carhartt stuff, crazy stuff. Yeah, original only. Yeah, you can see. I don't know what I have here. The Vomeros. Yeah, super good stuff. Yeah, we're gonna sell, we're gonna post them and see. The basketball is there, the Adidas. Yeah, good stuff. Yeah, for that reason, guys, I have to say thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys can tune in more, see more unboxing. I'm gonna show you how to do all this stuff. Yeah, the lighting is good. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Wait, I haven't stopped recording.